We start with St. Thomas, because I tell you the type of work I do, I travel all of Jamaica. So we start with my experience at St. Thomas. Because we don't talk about St. Thomas.
Yes.
So who familiar with St. Thomas, familiar with seafood. And who familiar with seafood, familiar with Serge Island. Serge Island are the dairy with the milk cow and the one of the processed milk. We had some work over Serge Island, about 6 hours. 6 hours. They are Serge Island, so we hear stories and so. You know the brother them will milk the cow them and something tell us stories, but we don't really listen to them something there. And there now, we say we are going to work late. Because we get light and something, because we want to finish up, because we should come from one go back our yard. So one of the guy give you one igloo of milk, and we stay some by 2 buckle and put in the milk. So we say we are work for the night. One of the guys them now see them go home go cook. Because if you ask me, say, if you're familiar with Serge Island, they have a lot of houses over there. So a whole heap of small house, a lot over there. One of the guys say, I go home go cook. So he say, he feel for stew peas and white rice. I tell you, so I say, all right, go on home, go do your thing then. You don't have to work. Did. We don't work, say, after 11:30, so we don't work in the night. So we are going now, go in, and the room and milk and sitting. So we are going to eat up some food. Everybody did we sit down. 1 hour we gamble out, 1 hour card pack and sing. So we are going to eat some food. Well, Stace now show stew peas, I tell you. You come like your brother Stace and show 1 2 pounds of salt and stew peas. No? Can't, I say can't eat, you know. The rice salt, me everything salt. The can't, I wonder if I room still in me. You can't eat. Nobody no eat it. So you creep out plate and sit and pack up and say I night that. As me say about say about 3 4 o'clock now. It's like you hear somebody in the kitchen, you hear pot of crepe, you know. I'm telling you, wash up back plate and sit and just food and crepe out and one look sitting for the dog, you know. You hear pot and sit and scrape in the kitchen, you know. So night time, me get up because 2 women to each room. A 2 women to each room. So me get up now and I say, yo, my brethren in my room. So I say, no, him in the kitchen, so I shout out like, I say, oh, namesake. Only in the kitchen, them I was say, I do. I'm not hear nobody say nothing. So same time, we hear plate broke up. I see my phone ring. Brother, them find the next room. I say, yo, who now mash up in the kitchen, man? I say, me know we mash up in the kitchen. Everybody stays now a flicker and light, because I can't sleep in the light. I want them, I don't sleep in the light. Everybody stays now a flicker and light in that place. Boss door, when you, bear in mind, when you open the door same way, you hear plate broke, you know. And everybody in the room. So, in our intention, we wonder, go on. Me think of the room still in me. So, I say, maybe I jump and I want to hear it. But when everybody tell me, them I hear, you know. Open door now. Everybody run out one time. Kitchen clean, same. When I say kitchen clean, same way. Kitchen clean, same way, you know. Everything wash up and pack up and everybody here plate a broke, pot a crepe out and something, you know. So we stay so now. I stay so, yo. I say, yo, I want to sleep, you know, brother. So I take up my mattress now. Take up my mattress and the next brother take up a few mattresses and all 6 hours sleep in one room. Because we have to go on. Let me tell you, it's about 6 o'clock again, you know. You hear pot start crepe, 6 o'clock in the morning, I tell you, you know. You hear pot start scrape again, you know. So everybody get up now, so everybody say, oh, no, so nobody not go out this time, I tell you. Nobody not go out this time, you know. You believe, say, about 9 o'clock left out the room when the place get bright. 6 big man, I tell you about. For that, we finish the job there. The same day we finish the job, I tell you. The same day we finish the job, we had to finish everything, cover everything, screw down everything, and drive out left St. Thomas. That was one of the worst experience of when me a chap. I worst experience that, man. Worst. I tell you, 6 hours in one room and you still hear something 6 o'clock, you know. But a creep I tell you, man, serious thing, man.